Good morning students, welcome back. So this is for third standard again. Okay, last week we had done some exercise which I showed you in the book. Remember, these are the exercises that we did last week. So today we are going to do the new exercise. Here we have count and write. I'm going to do this with you. Okay, so to do this I have written already 2 examples over here. Can you see this? 2 examples over here. What we are going to do? We are going to count it and write it. Okay, so let's move on with this. So here what we have, children, we have bowls. Okay, these are vessels containing seeds. Now here each container or each vessel has 100 seeds. How many does it have? Each one has 100. So how many do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 vessels having how many seeds, children? 100 seeds. Okay, and then we have one more vessel having just 10 seeds. So one vessel having 10 seeds. And how many seeds do we have here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 seeds. Okay, so how are you going to write this number? Okay, you have to write it here and you have to tell how many total are there. How are you going to write the total? So 5 vessels are filled with 100 seeds. So this is your 100th position. Only one vessel has 10 seeds. So this is your 10th position. And 9 seeds is in your units position. So this is your hundreds, this is your tens, and this is your units position. So how you're going to write this number? You're going to write it as 519. Okay, you're going to count it and write it as 519. Now let's go to the second one. These are matchsticks. Okay, and this one has 100 matchstick in it. Okay, 100. So this is one bundle has 100. So how many do we have here? We have 4 such bundles. So you have 4 bundles having 100 matchsticks. Then you have how many bundles here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bundles having 10 matchsticks. Okay, and you have a single matchstick here which is 1. So this is your 100th position, this is your 10th position, this is your units position. Okay, okay, so how you going to write this number? You're going to write 4 in your 100th position, you're going to write 8 in your 10th position, and you're going to write 1 in your units position. So this is how you're going to count this and write. Is it understandable, children? Are you able to understand? This is here in your book. Okay, I didn't draw it very properly, but here in the book you can see here are the vessels having 100 seeds, and here is the matchstick. Okay, this is the piles of 100, bunch of 100, bundle of 100, and this is the bundle of 10. Okay, so you have to count it and write it like that. Okay, I hope you have understood that. We'll move on to place value chart. Okay, you have to learn how you're going to write the place value chart. So you have to observe and complete the abacus. We have to complete the abacus. How are we going to complete the abacus? Okay, we're going to complete this abacus now. See, here we have 4 hundreds, 4 tens, and 4 units. Okay, how are we going to do that? We'll start with the units first. Okay, in the units position we have how many, children? 4. So we're going to draw 4 beads over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Draw it neatly, don't draw it ugly, don't leave it here, there and all. At the bottom 4. Okay, the same way in tens position, again I'm using another chalk for you to make it clear. 1, 2, 3 and 4, children. Okay, so 4 here, 4 here. Now the third one, in the 100th position also you have 4. So how many you're going to draw? You're going to draw 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, in each of your position you have only 4 beads. Okay, it's equal here, here and here. So all the 3 has 4 beads. This is how you're going to draw your abacus. Now let's see another example. In units position, how many do you have? 3. So what you're going to do? You're going to draw 3 beads here. 1, 2 and 3. In tens position you have 5. So we're going to draw 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, and in your hundreds position you have 7. How many are you going to draw? 7. Let's draw 7 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is how you have to complete your abacus. See, they have done two questions as example for you here. These two are done, and the remaining two I have done for you. These two I have done for you. So what you have to do, you have to finish your abacus. Okay, so I'm going to give you more questions like this. Okay, I want you to solve all of that and send it back to me. For today, only this much I have taught you. I want you to understand it correctly. Okay, you have to see how you are going to group it and count it and write, and you're going to see how you're going to finish your abacus, complete your abacus. Okay, so until I meet you next week, remain safe, remain at home. Bye.